Hey guys, before we hop into today's video, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. Both of the baits that we catch a lot of fish on in this video are available over at acmtackle.com. If you click the link down in the description below, you can get the exact baits that I was throwing. Use my code SB10, save yourself 10% on the entire order, and don't forget to check out the free shirt promo. Alright, let's get into it. Good morning everybody, welcome back. Today, fishing a tournament on the hot side of Anna. Got my #1 fishing partner.
We're at a certain lake.
We're at a very secret lake, but Uncle Jack, this is our first tournament we fished together, man.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man. Thanks for asking me.
About to get out here. We've got 10 boats. Actually, we still got one launching over there too.
Oh, so 11.
7:29. We got to fish till 3:30. Hoping we can get some big fish in here today, but let's get going.
All right, let's go.
Ready?
Good luck, man.
Let's do it. All right, let's go. What are you starting with, Jackie?
What do you think, man?
That's what I like to hear.
You work more on numbers, I'll work more on the big fish.
That works. Jack and I are starting the day off 7:41.
Catch a keeper right here in front of this thing, but we're not really worried about those right now.
I'm gonna get up. I want to hit this flat in that island in the backside.
Right in this little hole.
I think there are. I just saw one blow up on that point.
Just now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, I caught a 2 on this corner yesterday. And that was on a drop shot. Got a little bit of wind. This is what they want, man.
I know, it's beautiful. This is perfect weather.
Oh.
Do you just have one right there?
Oh, I wasn't really paying it. Yeah, right here.
Right at the boat.
Oh my God.
Come on, Jack.
Oh Lord. Oh man. Oh Lord.
Big one on the
I
buzzbait?
don't know. It was a good swim. You could have put a swim on it.
Yeah, second cast buzzbait bite.
Yeah, it was my second buzzbait swim.
Wind. Got him.
All right. Go on there, man. 12?
No. Go on.
Probably about what, 10 or 11?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Oh, he got in the net. He got in the net.
He's
Well,
a.
we got it started anyway.
That's a good sign. We got bit. First fish of the day on the drop shot. A little short though. He bit it good.
That's good.
Makes me
So we
happy.
got a buzzbait hit and a drop shot hit.
Yeah. Polar opposites, right?
Yep.
Oh, got him.
What's that?
Got him.
All right.
Oh, it's,
Good?
yeah.
Net?
Yeah, let's do the net because it's a.
Huh?
Yeah. Just because it's a jerk bait and I don't want to get hooked or miss him. Ready?
Yep. Tell me when.
Hold on. Right here. There we go.
Good job, man.
That's #1.
That's starting. Good job.
That's #1, Jackie. All right, fish #1. You're good. Stay up there. Going in. First fish in the boat. Decent one, about 2 pounds. On the Mega Bass 110. Shout out to my buddy Hunter. Honey P. HPS Fishing. He gave me this one. Crazy color. Pink belly. Black silver sides that crackled back. I forget the name, as I usually do. Good start. Got him.
All right. Size?
Nah, he's small. I got him.
The net, right?
No,
That's not fun.
I don't think so. Relax, relax, relax. I mean, he probably is, or he's close, but
Yeah, we're not going to win with that. I mean, unless you just want him in the well.
I don't. I mean, I'm not even gonna I'm not even gonna measure him just because.
It's probably less than a pound weight.
Yeah, he's probably like on that line of 1 pound.
Yeah, we're not gonna win or lose with that fish.
I'm gonna say he was 11.5 inches.
All right, let's see.
Oh, that's a good one.
What's that?
Fish.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Net?
Yep. He came rushing in. That was cool.
Oh, nice. Bring him right in. There you go, son.
Number 2. That'll work. He's at least 12. All right, Jack, you go up front.
Did you see some school over there or something?
No, I just threw it and I went to look for it on the scope, and then this fish was just beelining it from outfield.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you're catching the big one, Jack. Remember, I'm catching the numbers. You're doing fine. Number 2 going in. Jerkbait again. It's funny. Jack, would you ever throw a color like this?
No.
I wouldn't either.
No,
Like,
the old days with the color selectors, I used to throw in the grass beds, we call them like a purple and black thing. That's what he said to use, and it actually worked.
That's awesome. But my buddy gave me that jerkbait, and he goes, I think this is something that you would throw. Like he's like, I got you this.
I don't catch it.
And I hadn't thrown it until that day when I was here. I told you on the way in, I tied it on.
Right.
Because the other 110 had bad hooks.
Right.
I was like, let me just try this crazy one. And they were going crazy over it. Small one.
I got off.
You got one?
You're right, man. It's not small.
Damn it.
Huh?
To my worm.
Oh, you had a small one. I had a hit. I thought you were talking about me.
Oh, no. That stink.
I actually had mine hooked.
Did you have one too?
Yeah, I had them on for a second.
Nice. Missile bait robo worm collab. John's Juice. Got him.
Huh?
Got one.
Alright. Inside?
Can't tell yet. No, he's small. Woo!
Oh.
He was a small one.
What was that on? A tank thing?
The jerkbait? Yeah, I switched up the color. And it's the deeper one too. Let's do it.
I can't wait for this try.
It is a little
I
wet.
can't hear you. I can't feel
I know.
my face.
I know.
I think it's a good piece of structure that goes out in the water.
Big one.
All right.
Or a decent one. I should be able to get him.
Well, you got him or you want the net?
Yeah, net him. He's here.
All right, man.
Number 3.
There you go. I knew there was fish in that tree.
Nice. Number 3 on the drop shot. On the John's Juice Missile Bait Robo Worm. Got this in my Angler's Choice package today, or yesterday.
That's a keeper.
Is he?
I think. I don't. Let's measure him out just in case.
He'll be close. Put your rod down for me. Thank you. 13 on the dot.
Yeah, throw him in.
1301.
Throw him out.
That's true. Number 4, Jackie.
That's not what I want to put in the well. That's 4.
Got one. Mm-hmm. Hang on. Nah. I mean, he might keep. Oh, he'll keep.
Limit, my friends.
Mm-hmm. What time is it? 10:38.
Oh, man.
Fish?
I just missed one.
Number 5. bright.
Okay.
Yeah. Got him? There we go. Good one?
Looks like a good fish, too. Oh, come on, buddy. Don't get off. Come on. Get that net, man.
I got you. Jackie is all hooked up. Take your time.
Got to be a decent fish the way it's fighting. Oh.
He's just angry.
Looks like a keeper, though. Will it beat one of our other keepers?
That is the question. I think it will. This is definitely bigger than your other one.
Yep.
That you gotta retie that. Watch your foot, Jack. I gotta call that fish. Number 4. Good call. Look at that. That's a skinny one. Yeah. This was only 1, 2,
okay.
1. Or
toward the flagpole?
Yep. Or see where I'm at? Go slightly to the right of me. I got a fish.
Got him? Good?
Yeah. Yeah. He'll call.
You want the net?
I'll flip him.
Swing around?
Yeah, he's like not that big, but he'll help.
That's close.
Maybe.
That's definitely bigger than the little ones we've had.
I think so. Relax, boy. Yeah, he'll do something. Man, he's got a fat lip.
Huh?
He's got a fat lip.
That's good. I mean,
Culling quarters at a time. Ow! Freaking spined me.
oh, shoot,
He's good. No, he can go. He can go. That's,
okay.
Sorry. That's why I wasn't freaking out. That's the cullfish. I'm sorry.
That's all right, because I'm like, no, we don't want to lose what we got.
Good save. All right, that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then. But okay, so this is number 5. That was. I'm going to replace him on the scale. Slowly getting bigger. I want to go with that deeper one, I think. Got him. Can't tell. This one feels better though. Yeah, decent.
I don't think they'll pull anything we got. Maybe, land. He's got kind of a little belly on him.
Relax, boy. He does kind of have a little belly. We have to beat 1, 4, 1.
Oh, is that our lowest now?
Yeah, I don't know.
I thought we were at 1, 2.
No, we got that. Got rid of that one. Nope. 1, 1, 2.
Oh, you
I know.
it was that belly that was
Yeah.
like me after a sausage baby breakfast.
Got him?
Yep.
I sensed that one. Good one?
Hard to tell them.
I know.
Little suckers are fighting. Oh, I mean, he's really fighting.
Take your time. You gotta walk up, you can. Catfish!
Oh, gee.
What do you think, Jackie? What's the move?
I would try Noah's Landing, what you were talking about. Go hit some points in there.
150. We've got about an hour and a half till we need to be back into the weigh-in. And we've caught probably 2 limits worth of fish today, a bunch of shorts as well. We just have not been able to stumble across that big one. Just hadn't had the opportunity. Honestly, I think we've been doing the right thing all day. We've been catching fish all day.
Yep.
Little drop shot action, jerkbait action. And that's
pretty much
really it. Yeah, you're right.
One buzzbait hit.
One buzzbait bite first thing in the morning, and then
nothing else. And we didn't try a crankbait or a spinnerbait.
yeah, it got really tough once the rain stopped. Just like post front lockjaw kind of deal, but we'll see. I think these last 2 hours might surprise us. Yeah. Oh.
He hit you? So you got him. Oh, okay.
I think it's a small one.
All right, at least it's a buzz.
I can't tell.
Huh?
There was a bunch of them with him too. He'll actually work.
Is he right up on the shallow point? Oh, he'll call?
I can't tell. It's gonna be close. No, you can take the front, Jackie. Yeah, I thought he was a lot smaller than this. Yeah, we got to get rid of a 1, 4, 1. Oh.
What is it?
138.
Oh, so he's actually small.
He is smaller. Close.
Oh, well, close.
Yeah.
That's all we can do.
Hit it, man.
He's small. Oh, he's got it.
Small. You got it, Johnny. Oh, yeah, you got it.
He was just running right at the boat.
We'll probably catch him whenever
Man.
we else.
I got another bite.
You on it?
Yep. He ain't gonna do it.
So he was right on the wood tree.
Yeah. Back-to-back bites. It's good. Considering it got really tough for us there.
That means they're starting to pick up a little bit.
Yeah. Got him. Good one.
No, it's small. Jack on it.
The buzzbait bite.
The buzzbait did hit,
Look at you, Jackie. Last one. Last cast. We caught some. Just no biggins, but it was fun. It was good. That was very fun. All right, let's see what it comes up as. Well, thank you guys. Appreciate it. You too. All right, there's 1, 2,
5 of nothing. Probably 7 something.
8.
You think it's 8?
High 7. 8.
8.17.
17. 8 1
Write that
7.
down, Lori. 8.17. 18.17. Wow, I forgot to throw that 10-pounder in there.
I like that slide you got. That's nice.
Dude,
Oh my god, that's a solid one.
Out like 10 times.
Should we just weigh that one first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see it?
Relax. Yeah.
That's our big one right there.
434. Big fish.
434.
Was it? That's, oh,
Yeah, 434.
Pounds? I don't know.
Oh, I thought you about the amount of fish we're putting in there.
Oh no, no. I'm gonna jump up on the.
what we've all caught.
Here, Jack. You weigh it and call it. Just because I realized the whole bag should be weighed on the dock. Got it?
Got the bag out. 10, 7, 3.
Nice. 15, 14, like.
Yeah, you might have 3.
Oh, that's a good fish. Got it.
You can look at it with me, Lori.
9, 45.
Oh, yeah, this is, hold on, it's got a settle. 906. Good job,
Nice.
man. You're already a winner, man. You got the...
Catch him real deep.
How'd you know?
Yeah, right? There you go.
All right, here we go. Here we go. 8. Hold on, it's getting close to 9. Woo. 890.
3 3-pounders, boys.
Yeah, right.
401.
401. Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
Thank
It's fun.
you.
Yeah, last minute. That was
All
great.
right, well, out of the 11 teams that showed up to fish this tournament, we had 4 boats that weighed in. First place ended up being 10.5 pounds. Second was 9. And those were the 2 places that were paid. But it was a really fun tournament. It was a great turnout. This is a power plant lake, so the water temp is obviously a bit warmer, and the fish are just extremely, extremely active at times. The rain stopped during this tournament, and it really just shut the bite down completely. It was a lot of fun when it was raining, though it was extremely wet, obviously, but I mean, they were crushing the jerkbait and crushing that drop shot. And again, this jerkbait right here, this Megabass 110 in the Black Viper color, if you click the link down in the description below, you can go grab this one, was absolutely killer. And it's one of those colors that I normally would not pick up and throw, but I had it in the box, had to try it out, and fish loved it. I think it had to do with being rainy and kind of dark conditions in general, but the water is super clear there, so I wouldn't think of picking up a black-sided, pink-bellied jerkbait, but they liked it. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button here on Angler's Choices YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.